Banana Sky. Yes, Barbie. Oh, eat more. Yeah. One of my students today said Sky looks like a banana, so now I'm eating this banana. And then, after she said Sky looks like a banana, she said Sky and I look alike. So, thank you, student, for saying teacher looks like a banana. Thank you, Sky. Oh, he's licking the sweat off my nose. It's getting really hot. Yeah, it's getting really hot, cute boy. Oh, you're beautiful. Oh, you're beautiful. Oh, you're beautiful, boyki. Yo.